Welcome. In this tutorial we are going to create this beautiful knurling in the cylindrical face of our object. Uh, Here I have already created this object to demonstrate how knurling helps to grab helps in the good grip of this any object in the cylindrical surface. Now we are going to create a new part file here. For this I choose the plane white and go to the front plane or any other plane to create a cylindrical part. Just create a circle of radius this one is, let's take the dimension, diameter 40 is okay, radius 20. Now go to feature and extrude it. You can choose the any plane. I choose mid plane and extrude length, let's say 20. Now go to this face, normal, and create another circle. It's just for the shape. Again extrude it, blind 20. Okay, now go to this face and create a hole. The hole gives a specific shape. Go to feature and extrude cut up to through all. You can drag for the random through cut. Now this gives an idea of this shape where we are going to create the knurling on this cylindrical surface. Just go to the chamfer and give the 5 mm chamfer. Click OK. This one looks let's say it's a 2.5. Click OK. Give this side also the 2.5 chamfer. You can always edit as much as you want. Okay, now we have to create a profile in the path to cut the knurling things. So let's go to this face and normal and create a base circle for the helix. Now go to feature, go to feature and create a helix. Provide the height 20 as it is, p is 200 and clockwise. You can see the helix path. You can go to this face normal and now we are going to create a profile here. Simply go to the sketch, center line, and draw a center line. Make sure it's vertical. Zoom in. Now take a line command and draw a shape like this, shape like a triangle. Go to feature, go to smart dimension. This one, let's say 5. From this one to this line, 2.5 means it's symmetrical now. The angle between these two will be 90. And let's define this point from this center point is a 19.5. Click OK. 19.5. The sketch is fully defined. Now we have a profile and the path. Now this is a profile and the path is here, so we can always edit the starting point. Let's say it's a 0, means see where it starts. Let's say 90 degree. Now we have profile and path at the same place. Now go to the features and take the sweep cut command. Here you can select the profile and no, we have done opposite. Select this profile, sweep cut, it automatically takes the command, and in the path select the helix. Now you can see the preview. Click OK. Now we have a cut here. We will pattern this cut later, but we want another cut for the cross section just like this. So for this we will again go to this face, normal, and again draw a circle. Go to feature and create another helix. Now this time keep all the dimensions same, but change the direction to clockwise. Now you can see here. Click OK. Now take this, not this one. Take this sketch as a profile, swipe cut, and this time take this path. Click OK. Now we have two cuts. Now we are going to pattern these cuts with respect to the temporary axis. To find the temporary axis, go to here and click view temporary axis. Now we will revolve pattern these cuts with respect to this central axis. Now go to the circular pattern. Here in direction select this central line and feature to pattern means sweep cut 1. Now you can always change the number of patterns, and the spacing will be equal spacing. Just click OK. It takes the times to calculate. Now we can see the patterns. Again repeat the process. Go to circular pattern, take the axis as a axis of revolution, and in the feature this time select the swipe cut tool. Now this time you can also vary the number, let's say 50. It takes the time to calculate. Now you can see the beautiful knurling in the cylindrical face of this object. In this way you can create the knurling in the any cylindrical faces of this. Go to the unview the I have hide this tem hide the temporary axis and the curves. So this is the beautiful knurling created in the cylindrical face of this object. We can always provide the appearance. Go to metal, let's say brass, and you can change anything you like. You can render it to see the original appearance. Thank you for your time. You can create your own modeling in any cylindrical surfaces. Thank you very much for the time.